Okay, let's keep walking. See what's going on. Still walking and walking. Have a walk, Rizal Park. Rainy weather. But still a lot to explore, to see, and to experience. So let's go and see what we have. Let's see what we have. Let's see what we have. Yeah, the rain all over, and it's kind of relaxing. The atmosphere is very relaxing. It's calm, relax. Everything on the spot, and everything is just like the way it should be. Okay, it's just yes, the way it is. So there's nothing to be worried about this moment. That's it. I think is the correct thing. So it's depends on your opinion. So okay, let's keep walking and see for myself and what this walking will bring to me. Because it's already so much of walking and walking, and that's how it is. It's how it feels, how it should be. Looks nice. Looks nice to me. It looks nice to me. So I'm just try to see what here can catches our eyes. Maybe the ice cream, special ice cream, ice cream. Okay, we see the ice cream. I see the ice cream. Thank you. Maybe ring the bell. Okay, I cannot hold anything right now, so maybe we go back there another moment. So let's have some back at this point to see what we have here. Let's see. what we have here. Seems from this spot turns to left. Okay, turns to left. I think I'm gonna turn left also. So let's go and have some turn left. And everything should be okay.